Hello viewers, welcome back to Hacks for Soundarya. Today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am going to share with you guys the benefits of including a magical ingredient in your skincare routine, which will surely turn your dull and lifeless skin to your dream skin. So before starting the video, I would request you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please press the subscribe button below and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get all notifications and updates of my new video. So let's not wait a second and start the video now. Friends, ever since civilization began, clay, a natural substance that can truly be called the soul of the earth, has been used for innumerable purposes, like preparing medications to help in treating disease, as a topical salve to assist in healing wounds, and even in maintaining dental hygiene. Besides its umpteen medicinal uses, clay has also been a central ingredient in skincare products to attain a luminous, soft and smooth skin. This is due to the several beneficial attributes of clay, which make it an ideal component in beauty creams and cleansers. So let's know what is clay now. Clay is essentially a soft mineral produce formed from weathering of volcanic ash. The types of minerals and the distinct color of the clay depends upon the region in which it forms. The different forms of clay include bentonite clay, French green clay, rose clay, kaolin clay, Moroccan clay, and fuller's earth, or what we call it multani mitti, with bentonite clay and fuller's earth being the most popular varieties used in skincare lotions and powders. Clay inherently possesses a negative charge, and most toxins present on the face and body are positively charged. Using clay on skin hence makes it function like a magnet, drawing out the dust particles and enhancing skin health. The flexible and powdery nature of clay makes it easy to add it in skincare products, apart from also being a powerful antimicrobial agent. So let's now discuss what are the advantages of adding clay to the skincare routine. So the first advantage would be it protects against pollutants. The high levels of pollutants in the external environment often leads to many skin problems. Clay, being rich in mineral content, absorbs the dirt and grime on skin, clearing skin surface of impurities. Using a soap containing clay extracts while showering immensely helps clean the unwanted residues on skin. The second advantage is it evens skin tone. Due to prolonged sun exposure and in the blazing summers, skin tends to tan, especially on the face and neck. The treasure trove of natural elements in clay are very effective in brightening dull and lifeless skin. Washing the face and neck every evening after returning home from occasion, work, or anywhere with a cleanser containing clay works wonder in removing tans and instantly providing smooth, sparkling skin. So the next advantage is it eliminates acne. So clay contains a host of valuable antimicrobial agents that can combat harmful microbes like bacteria and fungus, which cause various skin problems like acne, pimples, and boils. Applying creams that are imbued with the goodness of clay confers marvelous benefits for skin health, removing stubborn zits and unsightly acne scars from the face. So the next advantage is it boosts collagen synthesis. Collagen is a key protein required for maintaining the elasticity of skin. So friends, the elasticity of your skin especially depends upon the collagen. The abundance of silica in clay helps to promote collagen synthesis, thereby slowing down aging and improving the texture of connective tissues in the skin on the face and the body. So what you have to do is simply apply a clay face mask for 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water to reap the brilliant advantages of clay for a radiant look by stimulating collagen production. So next advantage is it regulates sebum production. The natural oil secreted by skin cell is called sebum, and sometimes due to hormonal imbalances or dirt in surroundings, it is produced in surplus amounts, clogging pores and resulting in acne, blackheads and whiteheads. A clay face pack, powder or mask is an incredible natural solution for remedying oily and acne prone skin. So friends, these were the unbelievable beauty benefits of clay infused skincare products. But my personal favorite clay mask is this Innisfree color clay mask. It contains bentonite and kaolin clay. This mask is my holy grail product as it very effectively removes the impurities and gives me a squeaky clean face as well as that golden glow on my face. It is easily available in market in all Innisfree stores, and you can even buy it online from like Nykaa, Amazon, anywhere. It is priced at approx 700 rupees, which is all worthy for this magical product. It has many variants for different skin issues. So what you have to do is how to use this. You just have to apply on a cleansed face for 5 to 7 minutes and wash it off, massaging it. And here you go with a beautiful skin. So friends, this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.